Hi, I'm Bradley Bayou, and I'm an interior designer. And we're standing in front of my house in Palm Springs that I bought 20 years ago that has quite a pedigree. It was in great disrepair when I bought it, but it had been built by Bob Hope in the 50s. So I want to show you this house because it took a lot of work and a lot of effort and a lot of love from me. So come on, let's go in. And here we are in the lounge. It's an important part of this house, I believe, because it's the most open and it feels really comfortable and intimate for small groups and gatherings. The colors I used in this room, in fact, the entire house, I got from the outside, from the beautiful sunsets in Palm Springs to the mountain color and the blue sky. Strangely enough, this table behind me, the first thing I bought for this house, it's really sentimental to me because it's the only thing that stayed in the house during the entire construction period. I designed the day bed, and they're all my pillows from my pillow line, Bradley Bayou. And all the stuff, remember, I found here in Palm Springs. It's kind of nice to support the city and nice to just find things, especially when this city was being developed. When you first enter this sunken living room, the first thing you notice is it's really sunken. It's about 4 feet down. And the second thing you're gonna notice is the massive fireplace behind me. It's actually the same material as the floors, but it's stacked on its side. The rest of the room is basically filled up with a couch that I designed, and it's really like a feather mattress. In front of the couch, instead of using a coffee table, I designed 6 ottomans. They could be taken apart and used individually by people sitting on the couch, or they could just be used to bring more people in here to watch more television. Another great find was this beautiful chaise from the mid-century. I had it recovered a couple of times. It gets used a lot. I call this a sunroom because everything in here is yellow. Across from the banquette are 2 Adumane chairs. They're woven chairs. They're really rare find I found here in Palm Springs, another great find. The little table in between them, it's plastique, as they would say back then. It just brings a lot of life to the room and it's really fun. It's always great to have a sense of humor when you're designing and not just everything be so serious. But to me, the most interesting pieces in this room is this rug. It's made out of thread that's been taken off kimonos, old ancient kimonos, and woven into a modern rug. It was actually done in the 60s. Plus, it's lemon yellow. So this is what it's all about. It's about Palm Springs, sun, mountains, sunsets, and this is where I stay to view it all. The pool is really a unique pool. I kept the main pool, I ripped it up from the bottom, resurfaced it, put a bench in, and made it a real lounge area. This is actually where I come to design all my collections, or if I'm working on a house, because you feel insulated, but you're outside with the nature. And it's the most inspirational place in the world. Palm Springs is so much to me. It's the history, it's the beauty, it's the freedom of design you have, and all the color. Thank you for coming.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like what you see on the show, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We have so much more to show you.